Today I am reviewing the Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a high-quality, compact, and versatile camera, the Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera is an excellent choice for both beginners and enthusiasts who want the benefits of mirrorless technology without breaking the bank. This camera combines portability, performance, and ease of use, making it ideal for photography, vlogging, and creative video projects. Let's start with image quality, which is the heart of any camera. The Canon EOS R100 features a 24.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, which produces sharp, detailed, and vibrant images. With this sensor, you can achieve beautiful depth of field and natural bokeh, helping your subject stand out from the background. Whether you're capturing landscapes, portraits, or everyday moments, the R100 delivers rich colors and excellent clarity, even in challenging lighting conditions. Another standout feature is its compact and lightweight design. The EOS R100 is the smallest and lightest camera in Canon's EOS R series, making it perfect for travel, street photography, or anyone who wants a high-quality camera that doesn't weigh you down. Despite its small size, it offers all the functionality you need to explore creative photography and video production. Performance is enhanced by the DIGIC 8 image processor, which ensures fast and responsive operation. This processor improves autofocus, image stabilization, and overall shooting functionality. It also enables 4K video recording, so you can create cinematic quality footage right out of the camera. For users who love to vlog or record action, the R100 supports full HD video at 60 frames per second and HD video at up to 120 frames per second, allowing smooth slow-motion recording and capturing fast-moving subjects with clarity. Autofocus is another area where the EOS R100 excels. The camera features Dual Pixel CMOS AF, covering up to 143 focus zones. It includes human face and eye detection, as well as animal and vehicle detection, which is ideal for wildlife photography or fast-paced shooting scenarios. Continuous shooting is also impressive, with up to 6.5 frames per second in one-shot AF mode, so you can capture multiple frames in action-packed situations and never miss a moment. The camera comes with the RFS 18 to 45mm STM lens, which is versatile enough for wide-angle landscapes, everyday snapshots, and even portrait photography. The STM, stepping motor, technology ensures smooth and quiet autofocus, which is particularly useful for video recording where you don't want the lens noise to be picked up. Usability is a strong point for this camera. Its intuitive interface makes it easy for beginners to get started, while the camera still offers manual controls for more advanced users who want to experiment with settings. The compact body also fits comfortably in your hands, and the lightweight design encourages carrying it everywhere, making sure you're always ready to capture spontaneous moments. In terms of video capabilities, the Canon EOS R100 is a great starting point for content creators. The 4K video capture provides high-resolution footage, while the combination of high-speed HD video and smooth autofocus makes it ideal for dynamic scenes. Whether you're vlogging, recording travel adventures, or making YouTube content, this camera offers a professional feel without overwhelming complexity. Overall, the Canon EOS R100 mirrorless camera is a remarkable entry-level mirrorless camera that balances portability, performance, and image quality. It's perfect for beginners who want to step up from a smartphone or point-and-shoot camera, as well as for enthusiasts looking for a compact secondary camera with interchangeable lenses. With its excellent sensor, powerful autofocus, versatile lens kit, and 4K video capabilities, the EOS R100 empowers you to capture stunning photos and videos anywhere, anytime. Whether you're just starting your photography journey or looking for a reliable mirrorless camera to travel with, the Canon EOS R100 is a versatile, capable, and fun camera that delivers professional quality results in a compact package.